Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about loft command from compound objects in 3ds Max. This is our viewport, and I am going to draw some 2D shapes to make you understand about loft. So I am going to my 2D shapes here, and if you click this you can see number of 2D shapes here like line, circle, arc. So I am going to select line here and I will draw some line shapes. You can draw any shape. So I am going to draw some line here using shift and draw a straight line. So this is our line here, and now next I am going to draw any shape. So I will select this n-gon, so you can draw pentagon, hexagon, any of the n-gon shape you can draw using this n-gon shape here. So I'm going to draw pentagon, so I'll draw pentagon here. So this is our shape and this is our path. So now I'm going to perspective mode. I will press Alt W to make the screen large here. So you can see this is our line, which is path in this case, and this is our shape. So I'm going to my geometry here and I will select compound objects, and you can see this loft is not active, so you have to select any of the line or shape. So you can see this loft is active, so this is our path which is selected. So now I am going to select loft here, and you can see this is the creation method. So there is two options, get path and get shape, and there are move copy instance. So I have selected instance. You can see surface parameters next, and you can see if you select this smoothing here, if you check these boxes, your surface will be smooth, and there are some material IDs, your shapes you will see further, and there are path parameters and in skin parameters. So I am going to the most important one, the get path and get shape. So in this case I have selected this line which is path. So path is selected, we are required to select this one, next one get shape. And now I have selected instance, and I will tell you the difference between these, move copy and instance. So I am going to select instance and I will select get shape. So I will select my shape which is pentagon in this case, and I will click onto this, and you can see this line has taken the shape of this pentagon. So it is very handy in 3ds Max if you are working in building modeling or interior or exterior, or if you want to make a skirting or molding or any design, you can use this loft command. So it will save a lot of time. So now I am going to edit this. So I have selected instance here, so this is the benefit. So I'm going to select this shape here, and now I'm going to modify this, and I'm going to increase the radius. You can see the advantage of using instance. So if I'm increasing the radius of this shape, you can see it is also getting changed into this loft. So this is the advantage of using instance. So again, if I'm going to select this path here, and I'm going to select loft here, and I will select copy here. So if I'm going to select this shape here, and I'm going to select get shape, and you can see this same thing has happened. But in this case, if you want to edit this, you can edit the object but not the loft here. So I'm going to change this shape, I'm going to change the radius, but nothing is happening to loft. So if you copy, you can only change the shape but not your path, that is loft. And if you use instance, you can do in both the cases. Now again I am going to select my shape first, and then I will select path. So what will happen? So now I am going to my compound objects and I will select loft, and in this case our shape is selected, so we are required to select this one, first one, get path. And same thing, I'm going to select instance and I will select this get path here, and we'll click on the path in this case. So you can see it has taken the shape of path and is on vertical. So you have to be very clear how to use this. So it is very handy, and you can use this loft in designing your shapes. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds Max. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.